This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Fox-Jarvis team. Welcome home. Beautifully updated home off London Bridge. Upgraded Pergo floors downstairs, replacement windows, architectural roof, newer HVAC system and more. Updated kitchen with large bay window. 3 bedrooms upstairs plus room over the garage with closet space. Extra large fenced backyard tops off this wonderful home. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Fox-Jarvis team at 757-490-1254.